This video shows how SQL injection attacks can exploit source code and take advantage from it. This is a view of the AccurateSoft online gaming website. This is the registration form.aspx.cs. This form contains the handler for button submit click. In this file, we can see that the user's inputs are directly stored into variables. The student object is directly sent to a method to be processed. This is a view of studentemaildb.cs. In this file, the user's information is inserted into a database. The user's inputs, in the form of a student object, is directly unpacked and passed into an argument to the database insert statement. Bob opens up the registration form page and fills in his information to subscribe to the AccurateSoft gaming products. We can see that Bob has been successfully registered as a customer and his account has been created. Now we can see that Bob's account has been successfully added to the AccurateSoft database. Now Mallory comes to the same website and tries to subscribe to the gaming products. Instead of plain text, Mallory enters a script. This script will be executed to tamper with the database. This script will delete the entire table of the student email subscriptions and insert just one record into the table. A confirmation page appears after Mallory submits his registration form. The entire student email table has been wiped out. One record is inserted into the table. The injected script is not only limited to insert and delete some data. The injected script can also select and update the data as well. Now, how do we reverse engineer the SQL injection attack? First, we look at the misuse case view of the online gaming subscription website. This view presents extensions and exceptions to the main success scenario, which are potential attack vectors. From this view, we can see what developers intended users to do and what hackers can actually do with the system. When accessing the online gaming website, a regular user intends only to fill in his or her information to register. However, a hacker has different intentions for using the website, which is indicated by the red lines. A hacker can inject an SQL query that can leak, modify, or delete the database content. In this case, the hacker wipes out the entire data in the database to cause chaos between subscribers and the company. Now we explore our process view. This view contains additional information about the flow of control during the injection and can show specific location within a sequence of method calls where the system can be exploited. In a case of regular user accessing the website, execution starts when a user accesses the URL of the online gaming website. The program then calls student-email-request-form.aspx.cs. That displays a UI to take the user input. The user input is then packed into a session object called student. This student class contains attributes for a student. Once the student object is set as a session object, the session object is called by student-emaildb.aspx.cs class to be processed. The attributes of the student object are unpacked and passed as parameters to the SQL insert statement. This is the exact location of vulnerability. The problem is that the input is passed into the SQL statement without any checking. When a hacker comes into the website, he or she can inject the SQL script that can tamper with the database.